The heart of the agent is a PIC microcontroller from Microchip. PIC stands for Peripheral Interface Controller. This chip was born to do this type of work. The software was written entirely in assembly language, so it is very fast and efficient. The serial data protocol uses simple 1, 2, or occasionally 3-byte messages for all input and output. Discrete LED drivers can drive any type or color of LED with a forward voltage drop approaching 5 volts and deliver up to 200 milliamps to each LED. Typical LEDs require only 10 to 20 milliamps each, so there is plenty of extra power on tap. Each LED can be turned on and off separately, and they can also be set to automatically flash fast and flash slow. Groups of 8 LEDs can also be addressed in one message. This is best suited for 7-segment LED displays. Ugly switch bounce is compensated for in software, and switch presses are buffered. Pull-up resistors are included on all inputs. Each switch event, whether a press or a release, is transmitted as 2 bytes. The first byte identifies the agent board number, and the second is the button number and on-off state. People seem to love rotary encoders, but they can be more difficult to implement. Each agent processor handles 2 of them and outputs a serial message, just like any other switch. The 007 agent uses dedicated high-priority interrupts measured in microseconds that never miss a turn. The click field can be turned on or off for each encoder detent. Serial communication can be set to any of 5 common rates, selected with a jumper header. The 007 includes 3 LEDs to help verify and diagnose connection problems. There is a green power LED, a yellow transmit LED to indicate data going out, and a red RX LED to indicate valid data being received. These LEDs prove to be very useful when debugging at the system level. Connecting and reconnecting the agent is a breeze. It uses screw terminal blocks for power, ground, and input-output connections. No special cables, shields, or pie plates are needed. The timing of the switch and LED scan pulses are staggered to help reduce the likelihood of radiated electromagnetic interference in your project. The 007U comes with a 34-pin connector to adapt to any control panel design you make. The 007E comes with a 34-pin connector to mate with the Angelis Electronics 6602 Enigma controls. The 007P comes with a 40-pin connector to mate with the Angelis Electronics 8630 pilot controls. The -P also includes a 10-pin connector to break out all the pot connections to route to your analog inputs. The 007PE comes with a 34-pin, a 40-pin, and a 10-pin connector to mate with both the 6602 and the 8630 panels together, so they can be used simultaneously. All 4 models of agent processors come with 1, 2, or 3 ribbon cables as necessary to connect to the control panel boards. In our next video, we will demonstrate the agent in operation. Later, we will examine the simple serial messages used to control the agent human interface processor.